Hello friends, I am Vipin Sharma, Assistant Professor, ECE Department. My today's lecture is for Basic Electronics for Civil Engineering, fourth semester, second year student. And my today's topic is significant figure. Dear students, in my previous lecture, in notes, there was a mistake related to significant figures. Now here I am defining this topic again, and now what is the significant figure काउंट कर there was problem in the last lecture कि हम वहाँ पे significant figure काउंट करने में एक problem create हो रही थी. तो यहाँ पे अब हम इसको स्पेसिफाई करेंगे कि हम कैसे सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर काउंट करेंगे. तो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर काउंट करने के लिए हम हमारे पास कुछ रूल हैं. तो रूल 1 सेज ऑल नॉन जीरो डिजिट आर सिग्निफिकेंट. तो एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं 1.234. इसमें जितनी भी नॉन जीरो डिजिट हैं वो सारी की सारी क्या है, हमारी सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है. तो दिस नंबर हैज 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. नाउ रूल 2 says that all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant figure. So here we have 4 and 3 are two significant figures and 0 is in between this, so it will be significant. So here we have total 3 significant figure. Now in 1002 we have 404 significant figure because 1 and 2 are significant figure and 2 zeros are in between these two significant figures, so it will be counted as significant figure. So it has 4 significant figures. Now rule number 3 is related to zeros. Ending zero only will be when significant will be there when there will be decimal. यानी डेसिमल के बाद जो भी एंडिंग जीरोस होंगी वो हमारी सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में काउंट होंगी. एग्जांपल के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है 50.00. इट मींस here it is decimal is given, so this last zero will be counted as significant figure, and this 5 is also a significant figure, so these two zeros are between two significant figures, so they will be counted as significant figure. So this number has 4 significant figure. Now initial zero is always insignificant figure. Here initial zeros are insignificant figure. Example लिया हमने 0.0120. Here after decimal this we will count significant from left side, and these initial zeros will be our insignificant figure. It has only 3 significant figure. Here this zero will be counted as significant figure. Why? Because it is after the decimal. Now power of 10 is always insignificant. If we write a number as like this 2.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6, it has only 2 significant figure, that is 2.4. In this number we will count significant figure here only. These 10 raised to power will be treated as insignificant figures. Now hope now this topic is clear to you, and to understand this let's start some example. Find the significant figure of the following terms. Here I have written some numerical data, and we have to calculate significant figure in each questions. Now here, before to solve these question, I have write note 1. If there is no decimal in the given number, then start your counting from right to left. It means if number is written as like this 5000 is written, so we have start our counting from this side. Start from this side, and all initial zero will be insignificant here. That these zero will be insignificant. They will not be counted as significant figure. Here we have only one significant figure, so it is this 5000 has only one significant figure. So hope you understand and remember this rule. Now solve this question. First 4 question I have written non-decimal numbers like 5005. It has, if we start our counting from this side, and we will write as it has 4 significant figure. Now next question is 530000. Here we start our counting from right to left, and the number the zeros which are initially comes are not counted as significant figure here. So from this side, in decimal number and zeros, these zeros are these zero which comes in starting in our counting from right to left, we'll treat it as insignificant figure. Here we have only 2 significant figure. Now next question is 50090. This number has 4 significant figure because this zero will be non-significant. And in question 4, 20290, it has 4 significant figure because the last zero will be not counted as significant figure. Now from in our question from 5 to 8, I have written decimal numbers. So here I mention a short note for you to remember. If decimal number is given, then start counting from left to right. If decimal number is given, we will start our counting from this side, यानी left से right की तरफ. All leftmost zeros are not counted. Leftmost में जितनी भी zero आएंगी, initially they will not counted as significant figure. So 0.023 has only 2 significant figure. These are 2, 3, and these 2 zeros are not counting. So this number has 2 significant figure. Now we solve our question using these rules. 0.0029 has 2 significant figure because these all 3 zeros will not be counted as significant figure. They will be insignificant because we start our counting from left to right and all initial zeros will be insignificant. Now 1.009, it has 4 significant figure. Why? Because this is significant figure, last digit 9, it is also significant figure, and these 2 zeros in between 2 significant figures, therefore they will be counted as significant figure. Okay, so we have 4 significant figure. In question 7, 2.0200. Here we start our counting from this side, 1, 2, 3, and these 2 zero will be also counted as significant figure because these are ending zeros after decimals. So we have total 5 significant figure. Here in this question number 8, 500.0, it has 4 significant figure. So hope now this topic is clear to you. And if you have any doubt in this topic, then message me and we will take care of your, we will solve your doubt in a separate video. Thank you. Bye.